This is Andrew with CrossFit Strongheart. We're headed to Vallarta, a local Mexican joint, and I'm going to show you how you can order healthy, meaning lower calorie, higher protein, wherever you go out to eat. What's up? We're here at Vallarta in Foley, Alabama. I'm going to show you what foods to order, what foods to avoid, so that regardless of your lifestyle, if your lifestyle sends you out to eat a lot, to restaurants all the time, you can still eat lower calorie and higher protein, and I'm going to show you how to do that. All right, so when you're going out to eat, there's three main rules that you want to follow in order to keep those calories low and get the protein content high. The first one is to eat primarily vegetables. That should be the bulk of your plate is vegetation. Number two, you want to stick to lean meats. These are going to be things like lean beef, lean pork, chicken breasts, and seafood. Seafood is a savior when you're going out to eat. Shrimp, things like that, very high in protein, low in calorie. And the next one is going to be sauces. So sauces, you got all these hidden calories in it, a lot of fat, a lot of sugar added to sauces. We're at a Mexican restaurant. Cheese is a popular sauce. That's going to add hundreds of calories to your dish by just, pouring that cheese sauce on the top of that plate of yours. So I want to do the 3 grilled chicken tacos meal. No cheese on that. Could we add pico de gallo? Could I do the same thing with grilled steak? And this is with corn tortillas. And then could we do shrimp fajitas with corn tortillas? Pro tip right here, when you're at the Mexican restaurant, what they're gonna do on the grill is they're gonna pour some oil, right, and they're gonna fry your meat in it. You can request to have your meat cooked in a white wine. So they pour white wine, right, which has a lot fewer calories than a spoonful of oil, hundreds less. And then they'll saute your food. It's gonna taste just the same. You're not gonna be able to taste. Who the heck wants vegetable oil anyway, right? A few things to avoid at a Mexican restaurant. Obviously the cheesy dishes. Another one that's sneaky is the refried beans, right? That's a lot of carbs, but they kind of spice it up by adding a lot of lard to that, right? So usually like pork fat that they stir in there, and they're just really high in calorie. All right, so as you can see, this is quite a bit of food, these 3 tacos, and this entire dish is about 450 calories to 500, depending on like the amount of pico. Each taco has about 20 to 22 grams of protein in it, which means that there's 4 calories for every gram of protein. Out of this 150 calories per taco, 88 calories of that is protein, which makes the percentage of this food greater than 50% protein. Right, and that's kind of what you want to look for. You want to try to stick to foods that are, about 35% or higher as a percentage of protein. The steak's probably got a little bit more fat in it, so maybe closer to 200 calories per taco. The shrimp, this whole dish right here is probably about 50 grams of protein with, whatever you want to count those vegetables as, probably less than 100 calories. So all in all, depending on your calorie goals, you could add some of this stuff. I would skip the sour cream and go straight for the guac because it's creamy already. Well guys, I'm stuffed. 3 tacos later. Thanks for watching our video. This is just the first of our series on how to eat healthy when you're eating out. If you want to see a particular restaurant, let us know in the comments below. Please like and subscribe. Catch you next time.